First comes the sender's address. What do you mean by sender's address? The one who is sending the letter. So, if I am writing the letter, I am the one who is sending this letter to you. So, you are the receiver, I am the sender. So, it will be my address on the letter. Then the date of when you are writing this letter. So, the date, then the salutation. What do you mean by salutation? Salutations means dear mom, dear dad, dear Rohit. So, those are salutations. Then the body, where you write, why are you writing this letter? So, the reason, the main content. Then the subscription. What do you mean by subscription? Yours affectionately, yours lovingly, yours sincerely. So, that's subscription. Then comes the sender's name. Again, sender's name means the one who is writing this letter is the sender and the one who is receiving the letter is the receiver. Now, let's take a look at the letter. So, here's an address on the top left hand side. Then comes the date. Then there's the salutation, dear Mohan. Then the body. We'll read out the body. You would be happy to know that I have been chosen the student of the year in my school. The principal Mohan Sharma broke the news today morning during the school assembly. I would be given prize during annual meet. It is to acknowledge the achievement in the field of academics and extracurricular activities. I have really worked hard for this day. I would like to invite you to be the part of my success. I am very delighted and would be happy if you could be with me when I receive the award. I shall be looking forward to seeing you soon. Yours sincerely, Manish. Now children, in the subscription, when you write yours sincerely or yours lovingly or anything, the first word, that is yours, here Y would be capital. But sincerely or lovingly or affectionately, here in the second word, the first letter won't be capital. That will be a small letter and then there will be a comma at the end of it. So, yours sincerely, comma, then below you write the name of the sender, that is Manish over here.